Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're gonna do a comparative between white glue and silicone. Since we always do, well, not always, but a lot of time we do pouring or a flip cup with silicone or with white glue, or even both of them. But I wanted to make sure of the difference between both of them. So there's nothing to do but to try it. Let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. Okay guys, so listen, I think the result is great, but I have to be frank with you. I wasn't expecting this kind of result. For me, every time that I did try it, I don't know if it's because of the condition we have, the temperature in my studio or whatever you not, but normally when we use silicone, we always have bigger cells, bigger than when we use white glue. Well, this time, it's not what happened. Now we have bigger cell on the white glue side. I don't know what happened, to be frank. I just did a pouring, a fluid pouring, a dirty fluid pouring, like we do usually, but listen, the result, I don't understand very well what happens, but I like it. You can see a difference still, even if it's surprising that on the silicone side, the cells are smaller. Still, they are more defined, more details into them. I'm not sure if it's gonna stay that way because, as always, I just finished it, but I think it's nice either way. So guys, like always, it's a question of taste. I think we're gonna have to revisit this technique because I'm not sure we have a definitive answer on the difference between both of them, because I'm still surprised and I'm not sure about the result. But the result is the result, and what we have, it's what it is. So it is what it is, right? So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it, because that's the only way to be sure. And there's always a difference, like I said, between the molecule of the paint, the kind of paint you use, the temperature of the water, the temperature of the room you're in. So it's all things that can affect the finish you have. So anyway guys, you have to try it to be sure. And don't forget guys to subscribe and to join us on, I meant to subscribe of course, and join us on Instagram as well as Facebook. It's always nice to share on a daily basis. So guys, I hope you enjoy, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.